Hi everybody, welcome back to Mary's channel. Today we are doing a 2-mile hike. Do you like the horses, Mary? You've never seen horses. So the reason we're doing this hike today, not only to get exercise for both of us, but yeah, I've noticed lately, well, for the last couple months, that Mary, when she does a lot of exercise, her back legs hurt at night. Not while she's doing it, but just like later on at night. But then she wakes up the next day and she's fine, same as usual. So I've been using a product, Doggie Herbs, that for ligaments, and she's been taking that about 3 weeks now. I did just order another container. Mary, come this way. Come on. Come on. Mary. Come on. Good girl. Yeah, I just ordered another container. But I've noticed with that, the last about week, she's been doing a lot better. So today not only is to get us exercise, but is to test to see if it's working. Yeah, so we're gonna, this is huge park. We're gonna do this 2-mile loop, and that would definitely do it for Mary in normal cases. But yep, there's a nice doggy. But yeah, so we're gonna do this test. Come on, Mary, let's go. Yeah, so it's a gorgeous day. I mean, it is perfect weather. When you think of perfect weather, that is today. And it's my day off. So yeah, I thought I'd do this with Mary today. Oh, sorry, I'm sure you really didn't want to see her pee. Dogs can run free in this park. So yeah, this is a great place to do this. As you can see, there's another dog. What I like about this place too is they have water to cool off in. And the water is her favorite part, of course. She'll lay down in it and put her head in it. Is that nice and cool? This is so nice to get out today and do this. Back in the water. Can you get back up? Good girl. Good girl. Okay, so we played in the water. Right, Mary? Now we're gonna keep going on the loop. Got a long way to go. So we have made it to the other side. Mary's still going, investigating everything. We're almost there, Mary. Come on. It's been a great walk. Like I said, it's an absolutely beautiful day. Good girl, Mary, you're making it. She has to get in every water that she comes to. Mary, I don't think that's the best water. Come on. Where are you going, Mary? Come on, Mary. So we're almost back. Mary did it. You did it. I don't know if, yeah, over there's the parking lot. That's where we need to get back. Good job, Mary. So tonight, we'll see how Mary's doing. Because if anything would do it, it would be doing a 2-mile hike. I might take her to the dog park later too. It's early, so maybe after dinner, take her to the dog park too. Really put her to the test. You can do it, Mary. Yeah, if it doesn't, I gotta start thinking of taking her to the vet, getting x-rays, all of that. But yeah, hopefully, I'm really hoping, because it seems like she's improved. So hopefully tonight it'll be good news. Get in there? She's like, I'm getting in the van bed. Take a rest, Mary. Okay, so it is now after dinner. We got back probably from our hike probably at about 1. So Mary had a big nap. And now here she is. It's after dinner. She just ate. We all just ate. And I have to say that I am pretty impressed with that product, the Doggie Herbs. She was a little, oh, what'd you get on your paw? Hold on, she stepped on something. Gone? Okay. All right. I have to say I'm pretty impressed with the Doggie Herbs product. I mean, that's pretty amazing. She's a little dirty, but she stepped in a lot of mud puddles at the on our hike. But ew, come get away from that. Come on. But yeah, she doesn't seem to be in any pain. Walking just fine. So, wow. So if you know of anybody that, is having those issues, it's worth a try. I mean, it hasn't made her sick or anything like that. I just almost fell. But it hasn't made her sick or anything like that. Or given her diarrhea, or, I mix it in with her food and she eats it. I think it's been about 3 weeks that she's been taking it. At first, there was no change. It has to build up in their system, I'm sure. Mary, why are you eating grass? But yeah, so I am super impressed. So we're going to keep using it, and hopefully Mary won't have problems anymore. You ready to go? Come on. All right, we got to go back.